Hey friends, happy first day of summer! I wanted to share with you something super exciting that I'm doing because I just want so badly to help people see some kind of light at the end of their tunnel when it comes to fitness and nutrition. And I know a lot of you, we've been talking about my programs, we've been talking about Slay the Summer in 80 Days, we've talked about joining my virtual fit camp. We've talked about all these things, this stuff, but somehow, some way, it's just not doable right now. The timing's off, finances are off, the budget's just not there. So, I wanted to tell you something that I've been brainstorming with my team so that we can figure out a solution for any and everyone to start learning and developing better habits right here, right now, no matter what. Now, I will also say that the packages that I have are the best value. I mean, everything that I do is in an exchange, and I know for a fact those that invest in the packages that lead into my Slay the Summer in 80 Days or virtual fit camp, things like that, you're fully equipped to become the expert in meal prep, nutrition. You're in your own home. You'll have all the workouts you'll love, your spouse will love, your children will love, and you get the top of the line nutritional supplements. All that stuff. But I also know, thinking back 2 years ago when I first started my journey, I was like, I don't know about all that stuff. I don't want to try a shake. And I'm not sure about meal plans because I've never followed one before. So, I just wanted to do a little bit. And that little bit led to me losing 45 pounds and keeping it off. So, I wanted to give you guys some options. So the solution we came up with is to do a 14-day free Feel Fit and Fabulous Forever Challenge. So you get access to all the fitness programs that I do. It's our Netflix of fitness with tons and tons of fitness programs all at your fingertips. You can choose from anything that you like, and then I can help you figure out where to start. It's just gonna really get you started, okay? Get you started somewhere, and that's what I want to see for you. I want your excuse of I can't now, I can't afford it to be gone, because this is going to get you somewhere, and it's free. So all you have to do to let me know that you went in on this is to comment I'm in the comments below, or DM me so we can fill out your details, your goals, and I can figure out how to best help you where you're at. I mean, where you're at right now in your own health and fitness needs, budget, all that good stuff. Let's just get you started. Get you started somewhere. Over the next 2 weeks, you'll be infused with energy, accountability, motivation, recipes, love, fun, and fitness tips. Because life is about sustainable lifestyle that supports your health. This is your time to explore, so let's get this party started, and I'll see you on Monday.